Hello students, now continuation of the chapter of linear simultaneous equation. Now how to solve the equations. I have told already that there are four methods, that is method of elimination, method of comparison, method of substitution and method of cross multiplication. So first I will be explaining you method of comparison. Clear? That is in your book exercise 5.4. 5.4. First, sum number 1. Let us express the variable x of the equation in terms of the variable y. Okay. In comparison method, what we will do? In your equations, there will be two unknown variables x and y. So in comparison method, we will express from both the equations either x equals to or y equals to. Clear? Then we will compare the other two equations. You see the step by step, follow it. First, this is told that it is given x by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 8. Express x in terms of y. So what to do? X related term, left hand side will keep left hand side and y take right hand side. Then take LCM or x equals to cross multiply. Then x equals to cross multiply. 48 minus 3y by 2. Thus your equation was this. Now we have expressed from there x in terms of y. Clear? X equals to this. That means we have expressed x in terms of y. Clear? Similarly, number 2, from the second equation, we have to express y in terms of x. So what to express in terms of other, that part you will keep in left hand side. 1 minus 2 by x. Then take the LCM. Now both sides you invert. Y by 7 equals to x by x minus 2. Then what is coming? X, y equals to, from there cross multiply 7x by x minus 2. Thus y is expressed here in terms of x. Clear? In the method of comparison we will do that only. First, from both the equations we will express one variable in terms of other, then we will compare these two equations. Now see, method of comparison. This is the most easy method. Comparison. I am writing one equation. 5, 1. 5, sum number 1. 3x minus 2y equals to 2. 7x plus 3y equals to 43. This is my original equation number 1. This is my equation number 2. So from here I will express x equals to what? From 1, x equals to what? 3x equals to 2 plus 2y. Therefore x equals to 2 plus 2y by 3. This is my equation number 3. From 1 we are getting 3. Clear? Then from 2, x equals to what? 7x means 43 minus 3y. Therefore x is coming 43 minus 3y by 7. This is my equation number 4. Now see equation 3 and 4. Both are x equals to this, x equals to that. Now we will compare And when you are using this method, you have to write down this by comparing, otherwise half mark will be deducted. By comparing, what you are comparing? Equations 3 and 4. You have to mention here. Equation 3 and 4. So x equals to that and x equals to that. So right hand side you can now write this by 3 equals to 43 minus 3y by 7. Clear? Now all of you know how to solve this type of equation. In class 8 you have learned already. Then cross multiply. Nine will come this side, it will become positive. (23y) and this will go that side and subtract 9 minus 4 means 5. 1, 1, 5 is coming. So what is your y? Your y is 115 by 23. Somewhere it is coming on what? 14 minus 9. Now plus 23y. That side is given 2. Yes. Then minus I have rubbed the board now. This 115 by 23. Okay, it is okay. Now divide. It is coming 5. Y we have got 5. Now we will put the value of y either in equation 3 or in equation 4. Clear? What is my equation 3? I have got. I have to check. Equation 3 will be 2 plus 2y by 3. Putting y equals to 5 in equation 3. Write down the equation again. X equals to 2 plus 2y by 3. Now here put the value of y. It is coming 10. 12 by 3 means 4. Thus write down the answer in this way. X equals to 4, y equals to 5 are the solution. Clear? So these two equations, simultaneous equations, we have solved by the method of comparison. Clear? You will get next sum in next video.